Let's practice Polygon command. Type C, enter. Click on drawing area. Set radius 10. Enter. Type POL, enter. Number of sides 4. Enter. Click center circle. Choose insert in circle. Set radius 25. Enter. Press enter. Number of sides 4. Enter. Click center circle. Choose inscribed in circle. Set radius 20. Press less than symbol. Set angle 90 degree. Enter. Press enter. Number of sides 6. Enter. Click center circle. Choose inscribed in circle. Set radius 30. Enter. Press enter. Number of sides 3. Enter. Type E, enter. Click top edge left and right. Press enter. Number of sides 6. Enter. Type E, enter. Click bottom left edge, bottom and top. Type C, enter. Click center of polygon. Click midpoint of edge. Press enter. Click center of polygon. Set radius 10. Enter.